now the next reactor that we are going to design or discuss is a catalytic plate reactor. So these are the topics that we will be taking through. What is the concept of a catalytic plate reactor? What are the advantages? Its general representation or schematic diagram of what catalytic plate reactors look like, and three common examples from chemical engineering where this particular reactor is used, and some advantages of how catalytic reactors can yield good results or improve the performance of a process. Okay, so first the concept of a catalytic plate reactor. What we do in a catalytic plate reactor is normally, suppose for any catalyst reaction, we add the catalyst in the reactor, or might be suppose we make a fluidized bed of catalyst and then pass the reactants through them. But our case in that, what we are going to do is, we will be having metal plates, and on those metal plates we would be coating our catalyst. So as a result of which we have small channels. So if you can just see here, this is a metal plate. On that we have coated the catalyst. Again another metal plate, and on that also we have coated the catalyst. Now there will be alternate channels. So, or you can say the space where the reaction is going to happen. So in this particular channel one reaction will happen. In this another adjacent channel, bajuni channel में बीजू reaction thase, and we ensure that one reaction is exothermic and another reaction is endothermic. So if you notice, two adjacent channels, one is having exothermic reaction, one is having endothermic reaction. Second thing, the barrier between them is that of the metal and the catalyst. So very good heat transfer also. Metal it conducts heat to a very good extent. So very good heat transfer between them, and as a result of it, the catalyst also can be used. Already the size of this particular channel will be relatively very small, as a result of which the reactants will give very good reaction, the catalyst will come into play, and a very good efficiency or conversion would be there. Very high amount of heat might be produced in the first one, and the second heat would be absorbed. Okay, so this is the simple concept of a catalytic plate reactor. Metal के ऊपर तुम्हें catalyst को coating कर दियो. Importantly, I told you previously also in case of catalyst reactors how we do. हम लोग को suppose एक rod, metal rod चाहिए insert कर दियो reactor के अंदर, and you coat that rod with a catalyst. But this is not the case here. Alternate channels के अंदर एक में endothermic and एक में exothermic reaction करवाना चाहिए. When you will be taking this example, you will come to know why this arrangement is important. Our arrangements are important. ये आप लोगों को example इसमें क्या रखना पड़ता है. Okay, these are the advantages. Very high heat transfer coefficient, as I said, because directly these two streams will be connected through a metal rod. Okay. Second one, minimum, or you can say minimal intra-catalyst diffusion resistance. Generally, what happens is, suppose catalyst no surface when you are dumping the catalyst, the reactants. This comes in the topic of chapter CRE, chemical reaction engineering. Catalyst na surface ऊपर तुम्हारा particles, catalyst na pores ni अंदर these particles go into the pores of catalyst. They react there, they convert there, and from there they diffuse back into the main material. So when you are dumping this catalyst, or suppose having a very thick layer of catalyst, अंदर ना जो portions है, ये बड़ा portions might be, they will not be properly utilized. But in this particular case, we are having a very thin film, elongated film of catalyst, as a result of which catalyst के अंदर intra catalyst, inter means बे अलग अलग, intra means same catalyst. एक catalyst के अंदर diffuse थवामा जे material ने जे problem था, जे loss जाए, जे resistance आए, that would be very less as compared to big catalyst packings. High catalyst utilization, as I said, very thin film would be there and throughout uniformly racing, as a result of which catalyst to maximum utilization does unused catalyst nahi. Okay, so these are the general advantages, or you can say benefits of using a catalytic plate reactor. Three commonly used reactions or processes where these reactors can be used. The first one is steam reforming. Steam reforming के अंदर जारे तुम लोगों को एक endothermic and exothermic reaction ने couple करना. Couple means बेने साथे parallel करो. Exactly as what is shown here. When you couple a reaction, it will have very good heat transfer. Steam reforming of methane, it is a fast and endothermic reaction. लेकिन वो heat नहीं जरूर पड़े. So in one channel you do steam reforming of methane, and in the second channel you carry out the catalytic oxidation of methane. That is highly exothermic. So heat will be released from here, it will be absorbed in the previous one. So it will have very good heat transfer, resistance ઓછું, as well as both the reactions will support each other. Process intensification ની અંદર when we say we try to increase the efficiency or we try to reduce the energy usage, energy consumption, there is something which is known as heat integration. Heat integration is very important part of process intensification or the modern industry. So you can say a sort of heat integration is also happening in this. एक जगह in this situation actually you need to add heat. तुम्हारा flue gases के hot gases के steam की तुम्हारा है ना heat आपकी पड़े. In this case you need to use cold water or chilling water and you need to remove the heat. But when you combine these two, they act as supplementary. One will accept the heat, second one will reject the heat. Okay, and by doing this particular thing, the overall size of the equipment is reduced by 2 orders. Generally you can say બે ગણું size જે છે તમારી equipment ની ઘટી જાય. Okay, second one is methane reforming. Methane reforming using nickel based catalyst. Nickel based catalyst ની અંદર તમે use કરો. So generally જે પહેલા normal catalyst nickel catalyst ના જે reactors use થતા, in that there are some disadvantages. It was difficult to replace the catalyst because of general construction. Catalyst to replace karo, it was difficult. And when you are having a reactor, this particular thing depends on the availability of heat in the different sectors. So what happened was Sharuatma catalyst availability is more, and suppose you are using a tubular reactor line. So last sector, generally our reactor last sector, the heat available is relatively less. As a result of which the conversion was relatively very less in the last sector. Reactor में suppose अलग-अलग chambers હોય, first section, middle section, end section. तो last section जैसे because there availability of heat ओછી હોય, reaction ત્યાં બહુ ઓછું થાય. So these were the disadvantages that last sector of reactant contributes less. But all these difficulties are overcome by this catalytic plate reactor, because here you can see uniformly the catalyst is also available, and a catalyst available છે કારણે reaction પણ uniformly proceed. The last one is Fischer-Tropsch synthesis. આ વસ્તુ પણ તમે લોકો might be in previous semesters તમે લોકો ભણી ગયા. Fischer-Tropsch synthesis ની અંદર the product enhancement depends on the catalyst temperature. Catalyst નું temperature બહુ વધુ ન જોઈએ. Catalyst નું temperature વધી જાય, might be the catalyst poisoning happens or the catalyst નું જે efficiency જે ઘટી જાય. So the temperature of the catalyst needs to be as low as possible. તમારે maintain કરવું પડે. So obviously you can just read that point and then look at here. You can easily understand. Supposing this particular thing, the reaction is happening, exothermic reaction છે, catalyst નું temperature વધે. In the adjacent one, alternative channel, you pass a heat transfer fluid, almost like a heat exchanger. एक पास ની અંદર એક સાઈડ માં તમારું reaction થાય છે, hot fluid છે, heat is generated. On the second side, you pass something where the temperature is relatively very down, or cold fluid. Okay. Hot spots on catalyst are not produced. Hot spots એટલે જ્યારે ટેમ્પરેચર કોઈ પર્ટિક્યુલર જગ્યા ઉપર બહુ વધી જાય, એક સ્પોટ ઉપર સપોઝ ટેમ્પરેચર બહુ વધી જાય, તો ધેટ ઇઝ વોટ ઇઝ નોન એઝ હોટ સ્પોટ. હોટ સ્પોટ ક્રિએટ થાય તો તમારા લોકોનું જે catalyst છે એની એફિશિયન્સી, એનું પરફોર્મન્સ ઇટ ગોઝ ડાઉન. That used to happen in the conventional reactors, but in this case it will not happen, because the heat છે એ પણ uniformly distribute થઈ જશે, and simultaneously heat transfer is also happening with the alternative channel. Volume savings by using this catalytic plate reactor, volume saving, the size ma reduction છે. Lighter design is relatively compact, very compact. Less ancillary means suppose supporting જે તમારા લોકોનું machineries, equipments, જે auxiliaries જે આપણે કહીએ, જે વસ્તુ જોતી હોય એ વસ્તુ પણ relatively decreases a lot, and pressure difference also reduces, because જ્યારે તમે suppose catalyst dump કરી નાખો, or suppose if you are using a fluidized bed, so એ બેડની અંદરથી તમારા ફ્લુઇડને પાસ થવામાં it requires a lot of energy. Pressure difference is very high, but if you can see in this case there is no question of pressure difference, because this channel is entirely open. So pressure difference reduces, pressure difference બહુ વધે નહીં, pressure drop જે છે, volume ઘણું ઘટી ગયું, equipment ઘણું compact થઈ ગયું, and also your auxiliary equipments or ancillary required is relatively reduced. As a result of which તમારી cost જે છે એ ઘણી ઘટી જાય, efficiency process ની વધી જાય. Okay, so I hope the concept of catalytic plate reactor is also clear to you. Okay.